Let's get to some of the more fun ones, okay? Down here, we have what's called a table-based product. And the reason we're calling this example a table-based product is this is using what's called a pricing table, which basically means when you have this product added, you can, instead of futzing around with a calculation, you can come into here where you see a drop down, all right? And I have good, better, and best. And depending on what you select, maybe it's a level of onboarding, a level of support, a certain version of the product, maybe a color of a t-shirt or a size of a t-shirt, whatever it may be, right? You can create these pricing tables to go and choose a different option. And as you choose a different option, you'll see the list price change right here. And then down here, you'll see the calculation change. I actually do have a calculation set up for this too as well, right? So you'll see that list price inside of the calculation right here change. So you can see my table is changing whatever the list price is based on the option. And then down here, I have this part of my calculation is also changing in real time based on this, which is pretty cool. And of course, it adjusts the units price over on the right. So how do you set up tables? So tables are actually super easy to set up. What happens is inside of your price book, when you have a product inside your price book, you can change the unit price and be overwritten. So instead of just the one price you give it inside of HubSpot, you can change it to be a price based on a pricing table. You basically come in here, you hit override by pricing table. That's the option that you select here. You can also see there's percentage increase, volume, amount. We're going to talk about volume in a second, but this is pricing table, right? So down here, you basically choose a property, right? So these are going to be like properties from your HubSpot account that you can select. And based on the value of that dropdown property, you can change what the list price is actually going to be. You can even go up to 5 decimal points if you need to. I had no idea people needed that many decimal points, but apparently when you're in the quoting game, you actually do. So that's a pricing table. Infinite use cases for that. You have a product, you have a price, you change a dropdown, the price needs to adjust. Easy peasy. Try doing that with vanilla quotes out of the box in HubSpot. You're not going to be able to do it.